have a new company to share with you guys. I'm very excited to be carrying Paperie ink stamps. They are just so cute, and I thought you guys would really love this if you haven't seen this company before. So from their new release, we have Don't Worry, Be Happy. It's so cute with these little critters floating on these little inner tubes, and there's some drinks, and there's a little beach ball, and they're all like posed in different ways. They're so cute. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Don't worry, be happy. High tides sending good vibes. This stamp is going to make some really cute summer cards. Next one up is Season of Fun. So we've got Sun of Fun, like season of fun. We've got a sun with a smiley face, an umbrella, and all these cute little pigs. I love this one taking a suntan. This one's got little floaties on his arms. And these ones you can add little things to his hands there. Looks like he could be eating a popsicle or an ice cream. That would be so cute. We've got Llama Say. So this one features some cute llamas. There's some little mountains for the background, some cactuses. You could turn this into like a fiesta card. We've got the sentiments. They're in block style. So we've got so you could stamp them out in a color, and then the sentiment will be in whatever cardstock you have. So say if you have a white cardstock, the sentiment will be white. We've got llama, birthday, happy, hola, holidays, say, friend, alpaca, time, gift, and fiesta. So you can pair those up together to create a sentiment. We've got Hello Sunshine, which is really, really cute. This one will go great with the other stamp set. Don't Worry, Be Happy. And this one, they're all on little floaties. But this is like a pizza floaty, a donut floaty, a popsicle floaty, a watermelon floaty, an ice cream, and a pineapple. And you get some Hawaiian flowers and the sentiment Hello Sunshine. That's absolutely adorable. And we have Happy Vibes, which features some really cute sloth, and these are balloons. So these little clouds are balloons, and the little rainbow cloud is a balloon. So that is super fun. And then there's some vines with leaves. Always late but worth the wait, and happy vibes are your sentiments. We've got Monkey Do. So these are really cute little monkeys. I would say you could pair these up together, these little guys. They could both be hanging from little branches and in the forest there. So we've got hang in there, happy birthday, you're worth hanging on to. And then all these monkeys are super cute. You get some bananas and some balloons. There's a hat and a party hat that you can play around with. This one here is called Crafting Friends, and they're just so adorable, all making paper crafts. So we've got the XOXO, and this one has the X there and the O on his eye. He's looking through the O. And then this little panda also has a pile of XOXO for hugs and kisses. This one's got a little paint set. And this one is drawing, and that one is cutting out paper. We've got handmade with lots of love. Happiness is handmade. It's a good day to craft. My life would be a mess without you. Really, really cute. Then we've got Happy Bee. H-A-P-B, Hap Bee, like happy. And then we've got all these cute little bees, and they are just so cute. Hexagon to make a background. Some beautiful flowers, some trails that you can have behind the bee. And their sentiments, we belong together. How sweet is it to be loved by you? Super adorable. This one here is called Happy Birthday. Just adorable. Love those cute little birds. There's a cake, a cupcake, a little present, some party hats, a candle, a banner. A little birdie told me and happy birthday are your sentiments. Hello hummingbirds. I love this one. I love hummingbirds. This one's really cute. You get that nice hello with the tulips. And then these really cute hummingbirds. There's a bunny. There's two bunnies in here with a watering can. I miss you so much and you mean the world to me are the other sentiments there. They're so cute. Balloon ride, which is adorable. You get 3 sizes of hot air balloons. And then you get a pair of monkeys, giraffes, and bunnies where you can have them sitting inside there. And then a really pretty cluster here of flowers. And then these banners that you can add to your balloons. And the sentiments read, hope you reach new heights, the beginning of something beautiful. And this one is called My Sun Bunny. And this is really cute. You get the little bunnies peeking out of these flower pots. And then you get these cute little ones dancing around. For my special sun bunny. This one's really cute. Be really cute to do a long slimline card with all of these on there. Toucan Party. Another adorable stamp set. You get all your tropical critters here. The tropical plants, the toucans. The sentiments read, sending you kisses and birthday wishes. Let's celebrate you and Toucan Party. Look at the cute little cake. It's got foliage on there. So cute. And then Fairy Friends. I love this cute little character. So you got a lot of stamps in here to make a really cute scene. The sentiments read, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. All you need is faith, trust, and a little pixie dust. Those are really cute sentiments. There's a little snail, another one over there, and then there's a little bee or a little fly. There's a lantern she could be holding or a wand. And then there's flowers, a tree stump, a little hedgehog. Really cute. And then this is the last one, but not least. It's called Mermaid Kisses, and I thought that character was really cute as well. You're a treasure not to be missed, and Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. And then there's a little crab, and a seahorse, starfish, a shell, some seaweed, and those cute mermaids. So I'll have the link in the description box to the Paperie ink section in my shop. I hope you guys enjoy these stamps. Which one's your favorite? Please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it. And I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.